David Moyes being sacked, I think it is big news, and rightly so, because it's kind of a well-watched sport.
Sometimes the news is very, very serious, so there's no harm if they're going to make it a bit light every now and then. So yeah, if it's interesting to people, that's fine with me.
In relation to other stories that are ongoing, like the South Korean ferry that sank, it probably isn't that important.
I suppose if it's interesting to some people, then it's going to be put up on top, isn't it? Like, I suppose it's better than, I don't know, who's getting married nowadays or whatever, who's popping out kids.
It is big news, but it seems a little bit unfair of him to get the sack, so a lot of people will be talking about it saying it's unfair, but in my way I think he deserved it because it was brutal.
Well, there's nothing else really happening, I guess. The ferry in Korea sank a week ago. I guess something else needs to take over.
Well, I wouldn't say it's right with what's happening in Korea at the moment with the ferry and the situation in Ukraine and everything, but it's what the people want, so that's what the news are going to report on.
It is Manchester United, which, like, I don't know, I suppose so many people support them that it is a big story, but